Hey, good morning. This is the final day of the Climate Adaptation Research for BC Agriculture Workshop. Thanks so much for joining us so far. You have exceeded our expectations for numbers of people joining live and for all the excellent questions being shared in the chat and in the Q&A. We've saved the most interactive day for last with 4 workshop sessions that involve breakout discussions. Starting off at 9 a.m., there'll be a session on developing an agri-weather network for BC. This is a project that ACARN has been supporting, and we are excited to hear the preliminary results and have a chance to discuss them with you. At 11 a.m., I am so pleased that we will have our first Indigenous focused session at an ACARN workshop. This is long overdue, and I am so thankful that Dr. Jennifer Grants has graciously agreed to open this session with her work that shows what an Indigenous worldview offers to agriculture research as we face the challenges of a changing climate. Jennifer is a weed ecologist, instructor at UBC, and proud Nglapa woman whose family comes from the Lytton First Nation. We also have a number of other special guests joining to share their stories on Indigenous ways of knowing related to growing and harvesting food. At 1:30 p.m., our usual students poster session will be going virtual, and you'll have a chance to hear from 10 graduate students and a flash round of presentations. And then following that, there'll be a discussion on how we can better support early career researchers meet their career goals. The final session of the workshop starts at 3:30 p.m., where Dr. John Demet from UBC Okanagan and Dr. Robert Newell from the University of Fraser Valley will be talking about participatory tools for adaptive planning and the challenges to agricultural land use planning. So can't wait to see you today in the live sessions and especially in those breakout rooms. All the session details are below, and this will be your chance. There will be a chance for a wrap-up email coming to you with all the recording information as well as a survey for the event overall. Thanks again for joining us for this first experiment of a fully virtual workshop, and we hope that you've enjoyed the experience so far.